You never know. So far what we've done with the workshops is start to renovate some of the main beds here. Thematic people attack this pile of old weeds that's turned into a mound and break it up into usable chunks. And everything that's loose is raked. Then I think we're done. So just do this to get down to a hard kind of surface and get all this out. And then we'll be ready to put the cardboard down.
Well, it looks like we're ready for the wood chips to be spread on the cardboard. I would say let's dump them in a big pile in the middle and then break them to the outsides.
What do you think might happen when the wheelbarrow drives over the uncovered cardboard?
It will disturb the carefully placed uncovered cardboard.
Yes. So what might you do instead of doing that?
What about the opposite? So we take the wheelbarrow load of wood chips and we start on the outside and then we move.
I think that's a better idea. So yeah, we can have some people load in, some people truck in, and some people spread. That's probably the easiest way. The wheelbarrow broke.
Good as new.
Does that say wine caps?
Yep.
Okay, so
wine,
yeah.
Wine cap, King Stropharia, Godzilla, Garden Giant. Those are all names. King Stropharia rugosa annulata. And we're just going to divide it up into these two buckets so we can share the inoculation process, which is pretty fun. And just sprinkle it onto the wood chips. That's all there is to it.
So when you say inoculation process, I think of somebody getting like vaccinated against a disease or a virus or something.
Yeah,
so what does it mean in this context?
This inoculation is just introducing a population to an environment, which is kind of the same thing as getting inoculated against a disease. You're introducing the pathogen to your body environment,
right?
And your immune system can like get trained. So we're training the wood chips to grow mushrooms.
Why? Just because mushrooms are delicious and we love them?
Yes.
Or?